This might be the craziest breakfast setup I've ever taken, and every entry you're about to see is happening live. A lot of people think you need a huge account to make serious money, but today we're about to find out if that's really true. Alright, I'm watching price push back into the 40-35 area. The first thing that catches my attention is the bearish engulfing candle. That candle tells me sellers were strong enough to completely overwhelm the previous buying pressure. So at least for now, the market is showing signs that supply is starting to take control. I want to see if price comes back and tests the area where those sellers originally entered. That's exactly what's happening now. Price is retracing into the supply zone created by that bearish engulfing. If the supply zone holds and the engulfing candle remains valid, there's a good chance sellers could step back in. So I'm taking my first sell here at 40.35. Wow, the moment I execute the sell at 40.35, price starts reacting almost immediately. This is exactly why I'm patient with my entries. I don't chase the initial move. I wait for price to come back into my zone. And when sellers defend that level, the reaction can be quick. Already we're seeing the market moving in our favor. The floating profit is building nicely, but it's still early. One candle doesn't make a trend, so I'm staying patient and letting the breakfast setup do what it was designed to do. Price is doing exactly what I wanted to see. Sellers stepped in after my first entry, and instead of bouncing aggressively, the market continues respecting this supply zone. We've already had a bearish engulfing candle followed by a successful retest, and now sellers are creating fresh bearish structure. That tells me supply is still overwhelming demand, so my bearish bias hasn't changed. I'm taking my second sell here at 40.34. From this point on, my plan is simple. I'll keep opening sell position. Now let's see if sellers can continue defending this level and push price even lower. Guys, this is exactly what I wanted to see. After the second entry, sellers didn't hesitate. They continued pushing price lower, confirming that supply is still dominating this market. Buyers have tried to step in, but every attempt is being absorbed and they are failing to reclaim the previous supply zone. At this point, nothing has changed in my analysis. The bearish engulfing candle is still valid. The retest has already been respected, and we're now seeing bearish confirmation with lower lows starting to form. I'm taking my third sell here at 40.33. Wow, come on guys. The moment I add my third sell around 40.33, sellers step in immediately and the market starts collapsing. Look at the momentum, guys. Guys, we're already floating over $1,000 in profit. Just look at these positions, one after another, and the market is moving exactly in line with my analysis. I'm going to execute one final sell here at 40.32. This will be my last entry. From here, I'm just going to let the market work. I've set myself a target of $2,000. If the floating profit reaches that level, I'm closing every single position. No greed, no trying to catch every last peep. I've got other things to do today, so once we hit my target, I'm taking the money and walking away. Now let's see if the market can give us that final push. Guys, this happened way faster than I expected. Just a few seconds ago, we're floating around 1,600, and now we've smashed straight through my target. We're floating over 2,000 in profit. I'm closing every single position right here. Breakfast setup secured. We came in with a plan, executed every valid entry, hit the target, and now we're walking away. That's how professional traders operate. Breakfast secured, cartel is king. And that's a wrap, guys. The breakfast setup delivered once again. Every single entry was taken live. Every decision was based on the same analysis, and we simply let the market do the rest. This flip was possible because I traded with Xness using their one unlimited leverage, which gave me the flexibility to maximize this opportunity on a smaller account. Remember, unlimited leverage comes with higher risk, so always trade responsibly. If you want to trade alongside me, get access to my breakfast setup indicator and copy my daily setup. Join my Telegram community using the link in my bio. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, follow me for more live flips, sniper entries, and daily SAUSD breakdown, and comment breakfast below for a chance to get access to my free indicator. Thanks for watching. Cartel is king. Peace.